You're looking for a self-storage unit. Fairview Road Self-Storage is in a great location in Simpsonville. We're next to the post office. It's easy to get in and out because we have big turnaround areas and great views from the road. It's a perfect place for self-storage in the Simpsonville area. All units are ground level, making unloading simple. It's completely paved, so there is no need to worry about reaching your unit in bad weather. You will have peace of mind storing your personal belongings within our fully fenced and gated facility with electronically controlled access. Your space is accessible to you 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week, regardless of office hours and holiday schedules. Climate-controlled units are available. We rent U-Haul trucks as well. Our professional management team is on site 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. weekdays and 9 to 1 on Saturdays. When you're looking for self-storage units convenient to Simpsonville and nearby areas, you'll find Fairview Road Self-Storage a great choice. Call or stop by today. We take the hassle out of storage.